nothing's changed. Your dad can't talk and your hands can't walk, but things seem a little strange. Then comes the famous moment, someone's gotta sing a song. You don't know the words and you're so blown and bored, cause the song goes on and on. Then it's time to pack up, everyone into the car. But we can't move cause Dad's stuck in the loop, cause you took things a little far. Mom revs up the engine, puts her into first gear, and we wave off the cousins. There's always dozens, saves the same time.